It's fine, Elena. Elena, it's just rocking back and forth. That's it. It's just a vibration.
Elena, go forward!
Flight engineers, repair this. Hit your flashing button.
Stop us right on the steer!
Better be faster when we get in real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off.
Go straight!
Pilot on the left. You will stick to fly right and left. I was trustable. Then pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward to fly down.
Nice job, Elena. Down.
Watch it.
Up.
Easy, eh?
Elena, up.
Pilots are on line.
Down.
Pilot.
Down.
Hit the nose.
To the side.
Now let's go with that
Straight out.
cross jump. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Elena, that down. The green flash.
Stop it! Elena, go fast!
There's the plane. Yes, keep going. They've not gone to us. Take evasive action.
Up and down. Not down. Down.
I know, I should have been steer!
After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon.
Elena, back, open!
Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Pilot, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Yes, Elena, full speed up, now!
Lost power.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, gravity go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Line up behind the plane. We can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Cargo straight. We keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train.
That's Elena, full speed!
Gunship! Oh, that's things are getting too hot. Let's get out of there. Distraction! Oh my God! This was a train. Coming down. Pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I told you, but we made it. Now, let's get out.
Hyperspace.
Great job, my friend.
Elena, down.
You bring two containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Wait, we're not done.
Hey, not bad.
We're not done, bro. Oh my God. Wait, hit the red button!
Alright, like, good job gathering cargo and exit right this. Good job, Gina.
Yeah.
My rank was Marauder.
That's great.